in class 5A. Today I am going to give a speech on Independence Day. India got independence on 15th August 1947. Many great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, etc. sacrificed their lives for freedom of our country. British ruled our country for 200 years. They treated Indians as slaves and punished them. If those leaders would not strive hard those days, our lives would be miserable now. We celebrate Independence Day to pay tribute to our great freedom fighters who gained independence from India's struggles and sacrifices. This day teaches us about the power of unity among Indians and how it can strengthen our nation. We pay tribute to all the Indians who went through the struggle and fought back against the British government. Many children are seen flying kites on Independence Day, which signifies freedom and happiness. The Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, hosts the national flag and gives a speech to embark on the importance of the day. Students dress like freedom fighters, draw flags, give a speech, and perform short plays to celebrate the event in schools. The celebration also embarks the bright future of the country and every citizens love their nations. The auspicious and happy day of Indian independence has a much longer tragic past. The glory of this country should be kept up by us Indians. Because of such many struggles and sacrifices made by our freedom fighters, India and Indians now stand with head held high. For almost 2 centuries, British colonial rule prevailed in India. Thank you.
विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, सदा शक्ति बरसाने वाला, प्रेम सुधा साने वाला, वीरों को हर्षाने वाला, मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, स्वतंत्र